Redmi Note 10 Pro Review, Affordable Brilliance in a Smartphone. Title: Redmi Note 10 Pro Review, Affordable Brilliance in a Smartphone. Introduction. In the constant evolution of smartphones, Redmi, a sub-brand of Xiaomi, has made a significant impact with its Note series. The Redmi Note 10 Pro, the latest addition to this lineup, continues the tradition of providing exceptional value for money. With a blend of impressive features, an attractive design, and an affordable price tag, the Redmi Note 10 Pro offers brilliant performance in a budget-friendly package. In this review, we will delve into the various aspects and key highlights of this smartphone. Design and display. The Redmi Note 10 Pro boasts a premium design that belies its affordable price point. The back panel features a glass-like finish with a reflective surface available in captivating colors such as dark night, vintage bronze, and glacial blue. The center-aligned camera array adds to the aesthetic appeal. Its slim profile and ergonomic build make it comfortable to hold and use with one hand. One of the standout features of the Redmi Note 10 Pro is its stunning 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. With a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 support, the display offers smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and excellent contrast levels. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or browsing social media, the vivid visuals and immersive experience make this smartphone stand out in its price range. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 10 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G chipset, which delivers impressive performance. Combined with up to 8 GB of RAM, multitasking and running demanding applications are smooth and lag-free. Gaming enthusiasts will appreciate the Adreno 618Q, offering enhanced graphics performance for an enjoyable gaming experience. Running on MIUI 12, based on Android 11, the Redmi Note 10 Pro offers a feature-rich and user-friendly interface. MIUI provides numerous customization options, smooth navigation, and a seamless overall experience. Additionally, the presence of an ear blaster and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor further enhance the convenience and usability of the device. Camera capabilities. The Redmi Note 10 Pro features an impressive quad camera setup, headlined by a 64MP wide-angle lens. This primary sensor captures detailed and sharp photos in various lighting conditions. The 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens expands the perspective, offering a broader view for landscape and group shots. Completing the setup is a 5MP macro lens and a 2MP depth sensor, enabling excellent close-up shots with bokeh effects. For selfie enthusiasts, the Redmi Note 10 Pro houses a 16MP front-facing camera within a tiny punch-hole cutout. It ensures high-quality selfies with natural skin tones and adequate detail. The camera app provides an array of shooting modes and eye-powered features, including night mode, pro mode, and portrait mode, allowing users to unleash their creativity and capture stunning photos. Battery life and charging. Equipped with a massive 5,020 mAh battery, the Redmi Note 10 Pro easily provides all-day battery life under normal usage. This is complemented by optimized power management and the inclusion of a 33 watts fast charger in the box, allowing the device to be quickly topped up. With this configuration, battery anxiety becomes a thing of the past, even for heavy users. Connectivity and storage. The Redmi Note 10 Pro supports dual SIM functionality and offers excellent connectivity options, including 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, and NFC. Storage options of 64 GB or 128 GB are available, expandable via a dedicated microSD card slot, ensuring ample space for all your files, apps, and media. Title: Redmi Note 10 Pro Review, affordable brilliance in a smartphone.